Hello and welcome to another SEO Rocket Writer tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through installing the SEO Rocket Writer WordPress plugin and show you how to link your WordPress site to your Rocket Writer account for seamless one-click publishing. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the download page for the Rocket Writer WordPress plugin. I'll put the link in the description below. Once you've downloaded the zip file, you're ready to install it on your WordPress site. Log into your WordPress dashboard, then go to Plugins on the left-hand side. Click on Add New, then Upload Plugin. From here, choose the plugin file you just downloaded and hit Install Now. Once the upload is complete, simply click Activate to turn on the plugin. With the plugin installed and activated, you'll now see Rocket Writer listed in your WordPress admin menu. Click on it to open the plugin's configuration page. This is where you'll find your Rocket link, which is the unique URL you'll use to connect your WordPress site with your Rocket Writer account. Simply click on the Copy button to copy the link to your clipboard. Next, log in to your SEO Rocket Writer account. Head to your My Business page and open the Advanced Settings tab. For the business you'd like to link, look for a field labeled WordPress Rocket Link. Now, simply paste the Rocket link you copied earlier. Once you've pasted in the link, click Save Details. Congratulations, you've successfully linked your WordPress site to Rocket Writer. So what now? When you go to the My Content tab in Rocket Writer, you'll see a one-click publishing option next to each article. That means you can send your freshly written SEO-optimized content straight to your WordPress site with a single button press. No copying and pasting needed. And that's it. By installing the SEO Rocket Writer plugin and linking it to your WordPress site, you're ready to publish articles directly from Rocket Writer at the push of a button. If you need assistance connecting your website, don't hesitate to reach out via our website at donedigital.au. Thanks for watching and happy publishing!